Nestled in the serene heart of Ubud, Bali, the hidden Puri private villa and cooking class offers an idyllic retreat just 4.9 kilometers from the spiritual Saraswati Temple. This enchanting property provides guests with a harmonious blend of traditional Balinese charm and modern comforts. Each private villa boasts an outdoor swimming pool, ensuring a refreshing dip amidst lush tropical gardens and a peaceful terrace for relaxation. Guests benefit from complimentary private parking, a dedicated 24-hour front desk, convenient airport transfers, and attentive room service, complemented by free Wi-Fi available throughout the resort. The well-appointed rooms are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring air conditioning, spacious seating areas, and a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. For those who enjoy preparing their own meals, a fully equipped kitchen and dining area are provided, along with a safety deposit box for valuables. Private bathrooms include a bidet, complimentary toiletries, and a hairdryer, adding to the luxurious experience. Every room also comes with a practical desk and a kettle, catering to all guest needs. Culinary delights await at the property's restaurant, which offers a diverse menu of American, Indonesian, and authentic local cuisine. Special dietary preferences are thoughtfully accommodated with vegetarian and halal options upon request. Guests can kickstart their day with a choice of à la carte, continental, or American breakfast. Beyond relaxation, the resort encourages exploration with activities like cycling, and provides a bicycle rental service for easy access to Ubud's picturesque surroundings. For business travelers, a well-equipped business center is available. The strategic location allows for easy exploration of cultural landmarks such as Monkey Forest Ubud, Blanco Museum, Ubud Palace, and the iconic Tegallalang Rice Terrace, all within a short drive. Hidden Puri private villa and cooking class truly offers a comprehensive and unforgettable Balinese escape.